Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a squishy. A homemade squishy. Not oh, sorry guys. I have to do it because look at this. And if you're wondering what her name is, sorry about her odd second eyeball, looks so weird. Her name is a Sassy Cat because she's a cat, and the reason why I got her name like that is because cats are sassy, and so yeah. Look at this Okay, let's get right into this video. The ingredients you're gonna need is a Ziploc bag if you need one. You're gonna watch the video. A paper like this type of one, and a Sharpie, and some scissors and some clear tape. Okay, let's get right into this video. Just to say guys, I am not going to use another Ziploc bag because eventually I don't have any more. And I got the last one. Okay, let's get on with this video. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is a bag. What I already told you, a bag. So you're just going to do this. No room here. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing this. So I'm gonna be doing that. Make sure you have air inside like this. And so then I'm gonna go like this into a shape. Like that. And then, so next you're just gonna cut out a piece of tape, of course, because that's what it ingredients are. So yeah. And so you guys, I made a little face while you guys were done, and it actually works. I don't know if you can see, it's a little rosy cheeks, mustache, and its face, tongue, eyeballs. Oh well, this is a very cringe face. It's very slow rising, like look at this. Comment down below if you want a squishy, and if you do, subscribe and comment down below. I want a squishy and what face. Okay guys, and so thank you for this video. It was a very good honor. I saw this video in some video, and so I just decided to do it. It's very good. So yeah. Bye guys.